morning, Brian here. As you know, I do a bit of work with pallet wood, and recently I've been making some furniture for my son, and I'm in the process of making some office drawers to go underneath his desk. My plan is to put some false fronts on these drawers out of some pine that I've got here and plywood. I want to miter the joints and use biscuits for the joinery. It's a bit of a process because I've got to hold the biscuit machine and the work and push the cutter forward into the work all in one go without moving it. So I've come up with a bit of an idea on how I can give myself an extra hand, and I'll show you that just now. Okay, my problem as I see it is this. I want to cut slots in these cut ends of the boards, and to do that I need to hold the board against the front of the biscuit cutter and stop the biscuit cutter from moving and push the cutting head forward into the work. So you can see that I probably need an extra hand. So what I plan to do is take a couple of screws here and put them through these holes you can see. Put them through these holes you can see in the cutter. One there, and there's another one just here. And screw it down to this piece of MDF sheet that I've got on the bench. So in effect that'll give me an extra hand, because all I need to do now is hold the work against the front of the biscuit cutter there and advance the cutting head with the other hand. The screws will hold the machine to the board and stop it moving about. Now, to make sure that I get my piece in the same position every time, I'm just going to draw a couple of guidelines down the side of each of this first test piece, like so. And all I have to do now is line up each piece of work with those lines, and Bob's your auntie. Job done. So the old biscuit joiner, she must be 15 years old, but it's done the job. A little bit of preparation has really helped me to batch out these biscuit joints here. So now all that remains to be done is for me to biscuit and glue them together, and then I'm going to cut a rebate on the inside edge to accept a plywood panel. Alright, that's it for this video. I just wanted to show you that little hack on how you give yourself an extra hand when you're trying to cut some biscuit joints. Now, if you've got some ideas or another way of doing it, please leave it in the comments below. That'd be awesome. And I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel and share this video around. That would be great too. Anyway, thanks for watching, and for today, that's your lot.